Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter, what prompt band are you, and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Jason is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock his filter to your camera tray. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter. What prompt band are you? Tap on it. You'll see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.